full size.
They also didn't clean this room here.
No, full size connections. Take a picture of that. All right. I'll show the backyard
Once we
last.
head out, we'll do the exterior back.
Yeah, otherwise we're gonna get muddy.
Because I gotta take pictures of the back also.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, this is the rest of the house. Here.
Furnace.
Oh, furnace. This is our furnace right there. Ecobee. And then we installed the Ecobee.
Ecobee.
It's a 3-2,
Smart
right?
thermostat. 3-2.